Today I'm going to try and see if I can make a little drawer. Which I'm not sure if you can quite tell from behind me. I have next to no table pretty much anywhere in this. So I'm going to see if I can free little drawers that I got, make myself a little all of them in, and see if maybe I can stuff on my bench top. I don't know, maybe space, free up cleaner in here and a little bit easier to work. After that, it'll work on this car. So eventually, once I get I'm going to start trying to cut all to fit in, so I can confident driving this car around and all over my amps. But let's get some. Just trying to work on some of this woodwork. See how far we get. All right. So the design I'm going for here is really just going to have some. Then I'm going to have these two on the sides, and as I have a here just above where the drawer are, screw them into. See if that's here. I think it should be heavy in here. It just takes up a lot of flat space. Getting this space and give me plenty of storage. Continue growing all of my various my specialized tools that I have here and there. First thing I'm going to do is just get the of each of these what I need for the bottom. So it's looking like it's inches for the bottom one. Most of them will be about or so. Cuts on the bottom ones, make sure. Then we'll screw the and start getting this. There's a more accurate. I make simple do and doesn't work. So always wear hearing protection when your pulls senses tinnitus from I always protect what it already is. Cut these real quick. I'll be right back. So as you guys can tell, I have no really hoping that getting over here, really this space, in this little corner next to my press, just gives me a little, just makes my life easier. How this came out, a lot more structure to it. Wait, this thing's gonna see big problems from it. Let's go here. 9 5/8. So we're gonna build just a whole width, and then more, or I'll cut one, so that way structure. It doesn't need to be great, but enough. So here, then the actual width, sliding this once I'm done. Actually, I want this. Back of this piece done. No. It messed up a little bit with the screws. I'm just going to cut them off the fastest way. Probably other screw, but this isn't about perfection. That fits pretty good. Is screw these bottom, get my length on the sides, and open this thing up. Goes. So this may not be the perfect solution. It's the bottom one. It doesn't hurt it is because all the weight's going to be on. So I think cheating on this one would be fine. One the other side on real quick. I know I'm going to have to cut this a little bit shorter pieces of wood real quick. A little short. But over just fine. Perfect. What's next? Holders. I don't even know. So the top of this box, but not by. These two 13.5. What I said earlier, 13.5 to be perfect. So that look, and finish the rest of this stuff. I'll give you guys the end result. So you want my new little. All right, guys. So I finished building the little drawer system, and you know I think it looks a little rough looking, but for what I need, let me give you all a look of looking like. I think all do pull out pretty freely here. Pretty sturdy as well. Shaking it doesn't. Let me give you all a look at the back. So the back is like you'd expect, or exactly like I told you, except for right here. Upon after I finish building this, I think it'll be fine to get support over here. This is my little storage. Let's call it a storage device. I'm going to put in that little, picking up some of the tools and stuff around. Pull this thing up as much as I can, and I will. Shoot and show you how I clean up the garage using this drawers and this little bit of 2x4. Let's see how she looks here. Guys, I just finished doing some quick cleanup and put that I built, so I just wanted to show you guys all the stuff that I moved, show you how it looks. So I managed to move into this tight little corner, crawler underneath it, fan down here. What I want to do with my mission jack, but still out of the way, out of the general footpath. Bench right here is there's storage too, so Stuff's probably going to get put away, but more room everywhere. I'm happy with my quick little storage drawers that I built. That's all for that little update. Take care.